Hello everyone, I'm Kyle with Roland rAVe, and we are here at InfoComm 2026 where we are showing our new 4K flagship. So one of our next products that we want to show is the Roland VC-1SC-4K. Say that 5 times fast. So not only is this a video converter and scaler, but this is quite literally your Swiss Army knife for anything you need in AV production with your 4K videos. So not only does this do your video converting and scaling, but this is also your audio in and out, your embedder, de-embedder, your DA that you have to HDMI to SDI out. It also has a lot of other features that I'm going to get into that all is controlled with a single app. So if your display is non-16:9, that is no problem because this can scale dot by dot to any resolutions that you need. So going into our app that connects over USB-C, you can set your inputs and outputs, your resolution outputs, your frame rates, and not to mention too, with your two HDMI and SDI outs, it can either be an output with all your effects, or it just can be a clean loop through that you can loop to another VC-1SC-4K. Going into your layout, this is where you can crop or scale your resolution dot by dot. You can quite literally take it, scale it, and move it all around that you need to. This can also be done with a crop or a full-size scale where you can squish down your video input. Just like with the V1 4K, this also has the option for region of interest, where if I wanted to get a close-up on his face, I can squeeze this down and look at that handsome gentleman. You can zoom in, zoom out, however you wanted to scale this. This also has a coloring CCU where you can set your dynamic range, your saturation, your brightness, your contrast, and edit any red, green, or blues to your video output. Not to mention too, this also is an embedder, de-embedder, where you can go in and select all the channels you want to each individual output from your embedded HDMI audio, your embedded SDI audio, or your XLR audio outputs. So this is a perfect workstation for any tool that you need for video scaling, converting, or embedding and de-embedding audio. All can be within your Pelican case and your workflow. So for more information on this, please visit our website at rAVe.roland.com.